You're watching NBC5 News at 10.
As the Dallas Cowboys ramp up for the 2018 season, one of his star players is facing a different type of challenge, not on the field, but in court.
Today, running back Ezekiel Elliott was hit with a $1 million lawsuit. We broke the story on NBCDFW.com.
The lawsuit stems from a 2017 car accident near the Star in Frisco. Collin County reporter Meredith Yeomans has more on what the other driver wants from Zeke.
The photos made Cowboys fans gasp. Zeke Elliott involved in a crash just 4 days before the playoffs. Frisco police say Elliott told them he ran a red light at Gaylord Parkway and the Dallas North Tollway. He immediately squashed concerns of injuries with a tweet. "I'm good," he wrote. "I've been in bigger collisions." But what was described back then as a fender bender, attorney Quentin Brogdon says wasn't.
This was no fender bender.
Brogdon is the attorney for 56-year-old Ronnie Hill, the driver of the BMW Elliott hit. Brogdon says both airbags in Elliott's Yukon SUV deployed and his client's 7 Series was totaled. And in a lawsuit filed today, Brogdon said Hill has, quote, suffered and continues to suffer serious life-altering injuries and damages.
Almost 2 years have now passed, and there's been more than enough time and more than enough information provided for this claim to get resolved.
Brogdon says his client was reluctant to move forward with the lawsuit against Elliott.
He is a big fan of the Dallas Cowboys. He's a big fan of Zeke Elliott.
Despite Elliott being the only defendant named in the case, Brogdon says he isn't the problem, and a statement from Elliott's attorney explains why. Mr. Elliott was only named personally because Texas is not a direct action state, meaning drivers can't sue another driver's insurance company after a wreck. The only avenue in Texas is to sue the driver. That is exactly what occurred here, Elliott's attorney said. We expect Mr. Elliott's insurance provider to step in accordingly and handle the matter appropriately.
Brogdon would not go into detail about his client Ronnie Hill's injuries. The lawsuit is asking for a jury to decide how much Hill is owed, if anything. At the Star in Frisco, Meredith Yeomans, NBC5.